To get the most out of the TSB Bank Loan Calculator, it is essential to understand how it works and what it can do for you. The loan calculator is a tool that helps you determine how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. First, you need to decide on the type of loan you are looking for, such as a personal loan or a mortgage. Each type of loan has its own set of requirements and interest rates, so it is crucial to choose the right one. Next, you need to enter the amount you want to borrow and the repayment period. The repayment period is the length of time you have to pay back the loan, and it can range from a few years to several decades. The interest rate is also a critical factor, as it determines how much you will pay in interest over the life of the loan. The TSB Bank Loan Calculator allows you to enter the interest rate or choose from a range of options. Once you have entered all the necessary information, the loan calculator will provide you with an estimate of your monthly payments. This is a crucial piece of information, as it will help you determine whether you can afford the loan. It is also important to consider the total cost of the loan, which includes the interest and any fees. The TSB Bank Loan Calculator will provide you with an estimate of the total cost, so you can make an informed decision. In addition to the loan calculator, TSB Bank also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. These include budgeting templates and financial planning guides, which can help you make the most of your money. To get the most out of the TSB Bank Loan Calculator, it is essential to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. This includes your income, expenses, and credit score. By following these tips and using the TSB Bank Loan Calculator, you can make an informed decision about your loan and ensure that you are getting the best deal possible. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan. The TSB Bank Loan Calculator is a valuable tool that can help you navigate the world of loans and make the right decision for your financial situation. By using it effectively and considering all the factors involved, you can ensure that you are getting the best possible deal and setting yourself up for financial success.